Hei mihi ana ki a whakata Māori, ara ki a Shane Taurima, i enei kiata, nā rātou tēnei whakakotahi, hei mā pakitanga mā pātau i tēnei ahi ahi. We've got our next panel here, and I'm just going to pass it straight over to you and share your memories with Auku Ngahiwi.
Hello everybody. I grew up with Ngahiwi. Auntie June adopted me. I'm his other brother. And Mele and Ngahiwi had a son, and I'm his godfather. So that's good. We played a lot of rugby together, all those things. We worked at rugby. But I just want to get something straight. I went through this book last night. And it says that we had a hard time getting to walk through freezing rooms. He went to the employment officer, the employment officer says, are you a Robin? No. Are you a Chadwick? No. Are you a Whakatu? No. Well, you don't get a job here. But I want to put something straight. My Uncle Robbie married Auntie Billy, Auntie Wendy. That's Rona, and that's their mother. They are Tamonas. So you are related to them. Cut that out, through Uncle Rob. So you'll play group over. I would like to pass it on to you.
Kia ora, Ngahiwi. Well, I know Ngahiwi because I'm 90 below too. And Mary, wonderful woman. I was a good mate with your dad many years ago. Took me to your whare, scrub cutting with him. And, he said to us one day, Wally and I, go down and get some honey for us out of the house down the road. Smoke it out, and the honey would come to the life. So we lit the fire underneath. What happened? The house burned down. Oh, there was no fire brigade there. And my mate Wally Hood and I just watched it burn down. But we got a big pot of honey out of it. So we took it back to Moila, and Moila says, oh, very good. But the house burned down. He said, oh, that's not But Ngahiwi, I got to be careful what I say because he shares you fellas during the day and he shares us at night. One of the beautiful things about Ngahiwi, he shares himself all around the world. But you know what? He comes back with his mates and we have a great time. We drink anything and everything. We can have whiskey. We don't get up to mischief though. No, it's very good. Ngahiwi, I always like how you operate. Yeah, you share yourself. You admit it with a lot of people. And I've had a lot of Pākehā mates, but Pākehā mates, you know, our mates, Ngahiwi. And they say, how do we get close to Ngahiwi? I says, no, you can't. He's too busy. Yeah. Anyway, he's lovely. But, you know, we worked up the freezing works, and I was one of the boys that experienced the first time Ngahiwi sighted Mary. The freezing works. And you know what? You can't hide anything up that freezing works. Nothing. And you know what happened was all the way down the chain goes, oh, now he was going with me. Now he was going with me. All the way down the chain. You know? And it was a beautiful thing. Because I knew Ngahiwi and I knew Mary. Beautiful couple. Yeah. Yeah. And thank you very much. And we'll have more for you.
Kia ora, Nev. You know, we go away back when he was young, when I first came to the freezing weeks. And in those days, we thought, okay, we're going to start our working life in the freezing weeks and end it there. You know, we retire at an old age. We had, you know, working in a freezing weeks, you got to know everybody. And you turn out to be mates, real good mates. And a lot of us turn out to be lifelong mates still today. Like Miri's dad was, you know, him and I do a lot of diving, and we had good mates everywhere. And you know, rugby, Tamatea rugby, Taradale rugby, I'm Taradale, he's Tamatea. But I can tell you a story one time. He came over to watch Tamatea play Taradale, and he walked in and he says to me, "Oh, what's the score?" I said, 42-0. "Oh, that's not too bad." I said, "There's only half time there." So he says, "Whakatu rugby. We're gonna Whakatu reunion come. Let's go and talk about it." You know, we were one time we were having a few beers, and I said to him, "Who taught you to be you know, sorterman on the chain?" He said, "You taught me." I said, "I was your teacher." He said, "Yep." "Oh, yeah?" I said, "Well, you know, Nev, you've done everything. You've been everywhere. You've been around the world. You've been a few times. You've been to Aussie. You've been to China. You even went to Rome and had a hongi with the Pope." You know, this is the sort of person that he is. You know, we do a Whakatu reunion, and we have a meeting just about every second week at my place, and we used to say, okay, you know, let's do something simple. Let's do the kai. Don't go overboard with kai. You know, say some meat, some buns, or something like that. Next week he comes with a bucket of mutton birds. And so this is how it was. You know, we were all together doing this. But we lost a lot of our mates since, good mates. But you know, Nev, you know, when I'm talking about when I taught you, you know, I was your teacher. You know, he got to run this multi-million-dollar business. And there was another guy, you know, because you know, when we were working at the works, we didn't want to do nothing else but work at the works. Finished there. When it closed down in 1986, we lost a lot of our old people that just didn't do nothing anymore, retired or died. And a lot of our guys went to Australia. Quite a few just carried on working at different other prison weeks in the country. And just some of these other fellows, they thought to go and try something else. Well, two of my good mates, one of them, he got to be the headmaster of Ngahiwi school. And that guy, we used to play a lot of chess, you know, every time we have a lunchtime break or anything, and we'd play chess, and I used to beat him. 9 times out of 10 I beat him. And I said, how did he get to be a headmaster? And then there's this other guy, you know, that, like I just finished saying, you know, he run this $1 million business. He went a long way. And I hear a lot of talk about, you know, I taught this guy. You know, after this now we'll get together again and have another bit of a hui, me, you, Tom, and Malcolm. Anyway, Nev, I would like to wish you all the best in whatever you're going to do for your next 26 years. Kia ora, my mate.
Kia ora, everybody. I just want to have a shout out to Ruth and Michelle. They're the backbones behind Ngahiwi. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you, Michelle. Kia ora.
Kia ora, just our last papai. If you can share one very funny work story with Uncle Ngahiwi. Or a nighttime story.
Germany works once. Passes on to Tom.
Kia ora, Nari. I guess for me was have Stuart talk about mutton birds, raffle mutton birds at work, and 2 months, 3 months went by. Yep, who's the mutton birds? Oh, stood down south, they're walking up. Too fat. They're too fat, you see. Okay, all right. And everybody else is asking, we're already fat, we've got our honey. Anyway, we had Malcolm's the other week. Anyway, we asked Ngahiwi to get us some mutton birds. Well, you know what? They weren't walking up, they flew up on an aeroplane. And thanks for that, Ngahiwi. And we haven't paid you yet. So we have to get together one day or one night. Oh, I think we only get you on a night. Yeah, fundraising. No, it's really good. Ngahiwi, it's a pleasure to be a whānau, friend, mate to both of you. You know, you're both special people to me and Mark. Very special to the pie, all part of you too. You're very special to us. Got it.
All I can say was, if you wanted anything, he'd give it to you. That's how he was. He still is. Kia ora, Mapo.
Oh, Ngahiwi, no, I've got a lot of stories about you, but I can't share. Kia ora.
We've actually called in your mate to sing your waiata, and we'll let him sing Furious.
Used to walk you home, sometimes after school. All the years that flown, don't think you remember me. Watched you walk on by in your fancy clothes. You were riding high. Don't think you remember me. And then I saw you with him. I began to cry. I made up, I never cared. Oh Lord, oh, I was feeling sorry. All the years have gone. You should have gone. Prettiest girl I've known. Don't think you remember me. And when I saw you with him, I began to cry. I realized I never cared, I never cared, but I was feeling sorry. All the years have gone. Gee, you sure have gone. Prettiest girl I've known. Don't think you remember me. Don't think you remember